Many of us have heard that garlic improves sleep and reduces even the most severe forms of insomnia. Others were told that the effects of a clove of garlic can boost energy levels and help you wake up buzzing and ready to go. But does sleeping with garlic under the pillow really improve sleep? The answer is yes. Sleeping with garlic under the pillow provides a strong aroma that can induce sleep. Additionally, garlic offers sulfur-containing compounds with insomnia-busting properties such as allicin, ahoine, diallyl polysulfides, saponins, flavonoids, and enzymes. Let's look at what benefits does garlic have for your sleep. You have probably heard enough old wives' tales concerning the transformative effects of garlic on sleep. However, you may be wondering whether there's any scientific evidence to back those claims. Well, garlic is a vegetable packed with sleep-boosting chemicals and nutrients. It comprises 59% water, 33% carbohydrates, 6% protein, 2% dietary fiber, and 1% fat. Here are a couple of nutrients garlic provides and how they affect your sleep. Number 1. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, popularly known as thiamine, can be life-saving for those suffering from sleep troubles. The vitamin found in garlic improves nighttime rest by maximizing sleep cycles to ensure that you get the deserved quality of sleep. Many insomnia patients are advised by their doctors to double their vitamin B1 dosage to enhance sleep. Additionally, thiamine is noted for its ability to reduce stress and associated symptoms such as anxiety. Since those symptoms do not mix well with sleep, this vitamin can be critical to your long-term health and functionality. Number 2. Pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid, also known as vitamin B5, is another essential ingredient found in garlic. It can protect the body from excessive fatigue and sleep disturbances. This critical ingredient can help induce sleep and provide the much-needed rest after a long day in times of stress and anxiety. Number 3. Vitamin B6. A clove of garlic provides vitamin B6, which is another sleep-friendly ingredient. This critical vitamin can help you wave those sleepless nights goodbye. Vitamin B6 effectively converts the amino acid tryptophan into a critical neurotransmitter known as serotonin. This neurotransmitter regulates the amount and timing of the sleep hormone melatonin. Thus, vitamin B6 helps you sleep tight and wake up full of energy in the morning. Number 4. Vitamin C. Garlic provides substantial amounts of vitamin C upon ingestion. When consumed in ample quantities, the nutrient is famous for reducing stress levels by suppressing the stress hormone, known as cortisol. This creates the right environment to achieve sleep, even if other conditions may not be optimal. Number 5. Magnesium. Many studies have reinforced the importance of manganese in aiding sleep. The mineral can influence multiple processes that promote the ability to hit the hay with little effort. Additionally, magnesium calms down the body and allows you the peace of mind to sleep. Therefore, taking in the right amounts of magnesium is so essential. Note that magnesium deficiency can distort the body's optimum functionality, leading to significant issues in the ability to sleep. Number 6. Phosphorus. Did you know that phosphorus is one of the most vital nutrients for combating various degrees of sleep troubles? For example, phosphorus is an effective remedy for providing relief to old people who experience constant sleeplessness. It can be the perfect remedy for anyone that tosses and turns for long periods before finally drifting off to sleep. If you wake up many times during the night, this nutrient can also help you kick the habit. Even if you do not struggle as much to sleep, but wake up fatigued in the morning, phosphorus can be critical for your long-term health. Phosphorus can also help provide relief for those who experience constant nightmares and sleepwalking. Number 7. Calcium. Many of us grew up drinking a glass of warm milk before bedtime. While many people minimize the practice as they grow older, it turns out that calcium can boost sleep. The good news is that consuming garlic offers calcium to the body. The result is a sleepier evening and a much more relaxing night whenever you decide to hit the hay. Number 8. Iron. Eating garlic provides iron, another critical nutrient for a blissful night of sleep. Iron deficiency is one of the underlying causes of restless leg syndrome, which forces you to toss and turn for several hours at night before achieving some sleep. Number 9. Zinc. Zinc is an essential player in the melatonin metabolism process. Since melatonin is critical for good sleep, you cannot afford to miss out on the zinc that garlic provides. Zinc also acts as a sedative on the central nervous system, just like calcium and magnesium. The nutrient can help induce sleep, to wake up recharged and ready to tackle any challenges that come your way. It simply regulates the sleep portion of the circadian rhythm and prevents multiple forms of sleep disorders. As you have seen, garlic has a lot of favorable sleeping properties if you just put it under a pillow or eat it. So don't forget to use it more if you want to sleep well all the time and feel good in the morning. See you next time.